Happy birthday, Calvin.
Wow, a real tiger. I can't believe you got me a real live tiger.
Okay.
Native Americans would be more plentiful if they hadn't traded their land for casinos.
Well, cowboys never even existed. They're just a masculine image campaign purported by Marlboro.
I think something's wrong with our son.
This is some bull.
Yeah.
Who are you talking to?
To Hobbs, my pet tiger. Can't you see him?
That's just a stuffed animal.
No, it's not. He's real. Get him, Hobbs. Blood is everywhere. The vicious tiger shows no mercy.
I see. This is for the best. Give him these pills every 2 hours.
Hobbs? Hobbs?
Psst, Calvin.
Hobbs!
Calvin, your parents don't believe. We have to kill them.
Son, did you do this?
Me? No, my tiger did. He's a bloodthirsty monster.
Okay, you're coming with us.
Fasten your seatbelt, Hobbs. We're going to Mars. Wow! Mars is amazing! Mars is amazing. Mars is amazing.